Good evening and welcome back to the lecture of our current affairs, the series we have been doing for the prelims as well as the mains exams that are scheduled. For example, UPSC, UPPCS and all the state exams as well. UPPCS forms are out and I believe we have filled the forms. Uh, so for this week, from 17th of the Feb to the today, we will be doing the current affairs that are important from our exam point of view. One thing that you should keep in mind is that I'm going to cover those current affairs which are like you can always look into any book for the tidbits and all the smaller ones, but the ones which need a clearer explanation and a deeper understanding, because the issue that needs to be understood, I bring those current affairs into this class, because this class is like going on for 2 hours. It's a 2-hour session, and the issues that we'll be dealing here will be very important from mains aspect as well as prelims, and they are important from the point of view of the broader understanding of the subjects. Okay, so the first topic at hand is NASA's Perseverance lands on Mars. हम सब ने देखा, it was a very happy moment for all of humanity that Perseverance this rover of NASA has landed on Mars. It was not for the first time that any rover has landed on Mars. ठीक है? But this is very important because after the detection of water, on Mars, now this mission seeks to establish the evidence or seeks to search the evidence for some life on Earth that might have been present during the time when there was an atmosphere that was sustaining the environment and there was water on Earth, Mars. Okay, so this is the rover. I took this from NASA's website. It's a very high definition image. I hope this it looks clear. There are a few parts that are of our consideration. This is the powerhouse. Okay, powerhouse of the rover. It's a 6-wheeled rover. Rover means a robotic autonomous vehicle. Okay. This is mast cam. It's a camera. It's a very high definition camera. This is a kind of laboratory you can think of. It has a drilling equipment in it. These are drillers. Okay. And this is the underbelly. The image of a drone that we saw in the last slide is secured here in the underbelly of the rover. That is actually a technology demonstrator drone or a helicopter. Okay. So we will be dealing with this rover and why and where are we landing. This is Jezero crater. This crater was there is one orbiter, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. ठीक है? Orbiter और rover में या lander में क्या difference है? Orbiter is a heavenly body that or a satellite that orbits a planet or a satellite like moon. ठीक है? मतलब जो किसी के आसपास चक्कर लगा रहा है बॉडी, ऐसे सैटेलाइट्स को हम ऑर्बिटर्स कहते हैं. जो बॉडीज किसी एक्स्ट्रा टेरिटोरियल प्लैनेट पे या एक्स्ट्रा टेरिटोरियल बॉडी पे जाके लैंड करती हैं उन्हें लैंडर या रोवर्स कहते हैं. बेसिकली रोवर्स आर ऑटोनोमसली और रिमोटली ड्रिवन व्हीकल्स. ठीक है, लाइक रोबोट्स. और and the landers are the vehicles that put rovers on the surface of any other extraterrestrial body. ठीक है. तो why this there is Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, okay, MRO. This has figured out this place of this is the crater that we are going to land our Perseverance, that the Perseverance has landed in this place around this area. Okay. And why was this crater selected? Because it is believed that there was a lake earlier to this. Means there was a lake. This lake was present in this place. Okay, and this was fed through a river. So it becomes very important कि there to choose a right site of landing, because this Perseverance rover is going to seek for the signs of life on Mars that might have existed. ठीक है. So this rover, this crater that we are going to land, or the where the Perseverance has landed, is very important because due to presence of water earlier, ठीक है, there are high chances that the signs of life may still be remnant there. ठीक है, still be present there. And the second thing is the geology of the rocks of this area. Okay, the geology of the rocks of this area will tell us more about the geology of the planet as whole, because as you can see from this figure, this was taken by Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and you can see clearly the signs of erosion and all the geomorphic processes that take place on Earth. ठीक है, वाटर की वजह से जो geomorphic processes होते हैं अर्थ पे, you can see the signs of them. So there are basically 4 goals of this mission. ठीक है, तो J0 was a crater where it has landed. Previous missions were Mars Odyssey 2001. It was an orbiter. As I told, there's a difference between orbiter and a rover. Orbiter means the body that orbits around a planet or a satellite. Satellite means moon. ठीक है. Spirit and Opportunity. Spirit was first rover. Spirit and Opportunity were first rovers. ठीक है, first rovers that landed successfully on Mars. ठीक है. But what happened was, Spirit was caught in a sand dune. ठीक है, sand dune. In 2010, it was declared dead. Okay, it's 10. And Opportunity, this was declared dead in 2018. It was caught in a sandstorm, and इसके जो solar panels हैं उस पे बहुत ज़्यादा dust आ गया था, जिसकी वजह से it was not able to recharge itself. Although the Spirit and Opportunity both have been a very fantastic technological demonstrations in the sense that they have outlived their lives, the stipulated lives. They have outlived it. Like they were stipulated to live for at max 1 or 2 years. ठीक है, but Opportunity lived for around 12, 13, 14 years, and Spirit lived for around 8 years. ठीक है. Third is Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. This is a very important satellite. This is an important satellite that is orbiting Mars right now. ठीक है. And Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter is the orbiter or the satellite that sends a lot of images. ठीक है. Till now it has sent 350,000 images. ठीक है. Till now Mars Reconnaissance का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Reconnaissance का मीनिंग होता है रेकी करना. रेकी मतलब it's a kind of taking a lot of pictures aerially. ठीक है. Like this is Mars. इसका ऑर्बिट में MRO is, जैसे हमारे अर्थ पे रिमोट सेंसिंग सैटेलाइट्स होती हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस ऑर्बिटर हैज हेल्प्ड अ लॉट इन डिटरमाइनिंग ऑल द लैंडिंग साइट्स. ठीक है, द इमेज दैट वी सॉ इन द लास्ट स्लाइड ऑफ J0 crater, that was taken by Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and this orbiter has helped us define or determine the places where the appropriate places where we should land. ठीक है, and it was launched in 2005 and it is still sending us images. And most of the satellite communication that Spirit and Opportunity did were through Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Like it was present in the orbit, and this is Spirit or Opportunity rover. This sent signals to this, and this sent signals to some satellite that is orbiting Earth, and then we could observe our signals from Mars. ठीक है, तो Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has been a very successful orbiter or a successful mission. ठीक है. Curiosity, okay, stationary lander Phoenix was sent in 2007. Stationary lander means it is not going to move, that it does not have wheels. Okay, it is going to stay where it has been landed, and it is going to make some observations about temperature, climate, and all these factors. ठीक है. Next one is Curiosity. It was This was another great achievement. Curiosity landed in Gale crater in 2012, ठीक है, and it detected methane and also water. The presence of water underneath. Okay, it demonstrated that the water is present on Mars underneath the soil. Okay. Next comes Mars orbital mission from India. It is again an orbiter mission. It is not a lander or a rover body. ठीक है, because landers did fail. ठीक है. Mars Insight 2018, Insight's lander. It was again a lander. Mars Perseverance that we have sent right now, and China's Tianwen. This satellite has 7 days ago. Okay, 7 days ago. Today is 24th Feb. Okay, 7 days ago, this satellite made an entry into the orbit of Mars. Okay, China launched it in 2020, and now it has, after the 7 months journey, it has reached into the orbit of the Mars. Okay. So these are previous missions. The important ones are Spirit and Opportunity, MRO, MOM, Curiosity, and Mars Perseverance. Mars Insights lander was very importantly in news. It was in news for some very specific reasons, as it had an instrument that used to detect the earthquakes, like there are Mars quakes on Mars. ठीक है, तो similar events it was used to determine those. ठीक है, it is still working. लेकिन there is, you can observe that there has been a gradual shift in the kind of observations that scientists or NASA or we are trying to make. The first one was detection of water. Around 2000, from the beginning of the millennium, the focus was on first of all, the focus was on landing on Mars. ठीक है, उसके लिए पहले MRO भेजा, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which took a lot of pictures. फिर उससे पहले Spirit and Opportunity, they went to Mars and they landed there. उसके बाद the initial step of technology missions that NASA has taken place, the mission was to find water or any kind of that source that might support any kind of life. उसके बाद क्या हुआ ना, उसके बाद बहुत सारे जो जियोमॉर्फिक और जियोग्राफिकल फिनोमेनाज हैं वहां पे, उनको डिटेक्ट करने के लिए इनसाइट्स लैंडर, एंड नाउ द परसूट इज ऑफ डिटेक्टिंग some kind of life that might have been present on the planet and preparing for the future Mars endeavors that might be having humans as a part of the mission. ठीक है, तो there are 4 basic goals. First one is determine whether life ever, for this Mars Reconnaissance or Perseverance, these are the 4 main aims. The first one is determining whether the life ever existed on the planet or not. Second one is characterize the climate of Mars. ठीक है. Third one is studying the geology of Mars, and the fourth one is preparing for future human expeditions. तो चारों aims के लिए there are certain kind of equipments or instruments that have been placed on the this Perseverance rover. ठीक है, so we'll be dealing with what kind of instruments they are. Okay, these are the 4 important goals. Now this whole Perseverance rover has been powered by a thermoelectric generator. ठीक है, that generates 110 watt of power. ठीक है, and it is based on Seebeck effect. Seebeck effect is a very simple phenomenon. ठीक है, this Perseverance rover is a demonstration of brilliant engineering. ठीक है, and at the same time using the very simplest of the things to achieve the biggest of the goals. How? This is a very basic phenomena we might be studying in our 11th-12th classes. ठीक है, but it was not being used right now. ठीक है, people are always going for what kind of nuclear and all this. ठीक है, what this phenomena is, if we put 2 metals, ठीक है, with different doping concentrations, basically doping concentration in the sense, if we put 2 metals with different kind of charge concentrations, ठीक है, and then we join them, okay, and then we put them at different temperatures. ठीक है, so what happens is a flow of electron gets established, due to which a power gets generated. Very simple phenomena, yet very ingenious and very like brilliant approach towards generation of power. ठीक है, इसका कैपेसिटी कितना है? It generates 110 watts, okay, 110 watts of power. ठीक है, plus there are some lithium ion batteries as well. ठीक है, lithium ion batteries as well. ठीक है, तो now what is the source? This is plutonium dioxide. Plutonium dioxide. It is a radioactive material, and radioactive material, being a radioactive material, it also emits heat. ठीक है, and this has a half life of 14 years. मतलब अगर ये 1 kg है तो इसको डीके होने में, आधा डीके होने में 7 kg होने में 14 years का टाइम लगेगा. That means we have enough amount of power. ठीक है, तो ये तो पावर सोर्स था कि पावर सोर्स क्या है. ये कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स हैं जो कि हमारे मार्स रोवर पे हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज मास्टकैम जेड. एज वी सॉ कि जो कैमरा वाला इक्विपमेंट था टू टेक एचडी वीडियो, panoramic color photographs, 3D images of Martian surface, and one important thing is this can also take videos of the planet. ठीक है, the earlier missions were not able to take videos. ठीक है, the second one is Mars Environment Dynamics Analyzer. The first one is Mastcam Z. It is a simple camera, not a simple camera of course, ठीक है, but it is kind of eye of the rover. The second is MEDA, Mars Envirodynamics Analyzer, monitors weather. There are some kind of sensors placed on the rover that analyze the weather, wind, temperature, humidity, speed of the wind basically. ठीक है, तो this MEDA is for the second goal. The second goal is characterization of the environment of Mars. कि what kind of environment does, what kind of climate does exist on the Mars. ठीक है, the third one is MOXIE. This is a technology demonstrator. Technology demonstrator means it is not a full-scale equipment of the kind. There is no such use of this equipment in this whole mission, except for the fact that it is being used to demonstrate a technology that is going to make oxygen from carbon dioxide. ठीक है, मतलब there is a lot of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere of Mars. ठीक है, तो ये एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है that is going to make oxygen from carbon dioxide. अंडरस्टूड. तो ये एक टेक्नोलॉजी डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटर है. टेक्नोलॉजी डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटर का मतलब है कि इट इज अ वेरी स्मॉल स्केल मॉडल दैट इज गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस सम ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट इन द मार्शियन सरफेस और मार्शियन एटमॉस्फेयर. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट प्रेजेंट इन द मार्शियन एटमॉस्फेयर बट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, although humans cannot live on Mars as we live on Earth. ठीक है, but still we will need oxygen if we ever get to land on Mars and we start living there by building our colonies. Of course we are not going to live naturally, but even if we are going to live in any other way we need to have oxygen. ठीक है, but oxygen के लिए क्या, ऑक्सीजन तो वहां पे है नहीं बहुत ज्यादा, तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से ऑक्सीजन कन्वर्ट करने की हमने मशीन बना ली. अब इस मशीन को हम चेक करना चाहते हैं मार्शियन एनवायरनमेंट में, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव सेंट दिस. But MOXIE needs a higher amount of power as compared to the 110 watts. ठीक है, for that we have the lithium ion batteries as I told in the last slide. ठीक है, okay. The next one is Sherlock, Baker Street. Baker Street, अगर आपने Sherlock Holmes पढ़ी है या मूवी देखी है तो you must be knowing 21 Baker Street is Sherlock's address. This is of course a spy. ठीक है, Sherlock was a spy, right? It will look for organic minerals, sorry, and को please हटा दीजिए. ठीक है, it will look for organic minerals that might have been altered by the watery environment of the Mars. Okay, so this is going to look for organic mineral. It is going to look for the third goal. The third goal is looking for biosignatures that might have been present. Okay, biosignatures means organisms, organic material that might have been present in the rocks of the Mars. ठीक है, तो this is Sherlock and that is why it is our spy on Mars. ठीक है, but Dr. Watson नहीं है इनके साथ, बस यही दिक्कत है. बाकी it is going to look for organic materials, and one important thing that you need to know is, it's a fun fact you can say, कि Sherlock has a calibrating piece for calibration, and that piece came from Smithsonian Museum, ठीक है, and that piece was from the meteorite of Mars, ठीक है, मतलब sometimes back there was a meteorite that came from Mars, okay, मतलब एक मार्स का रॉक somehow came onto अर्थ, ओके, अब उस रॉक का जो कंपोजिशन है, उस कंपोजिशन से ही पता चलेगा कि मार्स की जो सॉइल है उसका क्या कंपोजिशन होना चाहिए, ओके, उस कैलिब्रेशन के लिए, तो दिस शेरलॉक इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑलरेडी नीड्स टू कैलिब्रेट इटसेल्फ टू द सॉइल ऑफ मार्स, ठीक है, तो व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू मेक सम एनालिसिस ऑफ द मार्स सॉइल, इट इज गोइंग टू कंपेयर इट फ्रॉम द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द द पार्ट ऑफ द meteorite that has been sent along with the Sherlock, ठीक है. The fifth important part is caching of samples. Caching का मतलब है कि to collect, simple words में, ठीक है. The rover will also collect, what it will do, the drilling, it will drill the rocks or the soil surface, ठीक है, and then it will take samples and put into the tubes. These tubes will be hermetically sealed and they will be dropped off at some location on the surface of the Mars. Yes, and it will be dropped off. Yes, you heard it right. It will be dropped off on the surface of Mars, and when some future mission goes on to Mars, that sample of the soil will be retrieved back from Mars to Earth. Okay, understood? मतलब simple कि the sample, the tubes containing the sample from Mars, okay, these tubes, ठीक है, these are hermetically sealed, these are containing the soil samples or the rock samples that have been drilled by Mars Perseverance rover, and when some other mission that goes to Mars, ठीक है, it finds it, it will send back to Earth. Yes, we are now in a process of sending another mission that is going to send back samples from Earth, from Mars to Earth. And the technology demonstrator MOXIE, you heard right, MOXIE is going to provide fuel because oxygen can also be used as fuel for rockets, ठीक है. तो अगर somehow we send some empty rocket to Mars, ठीक है, अगर हम कोई मिशन में empty rocket भेजें मार्स पे, तो वहां पे फ्यूलिंग करके MOXIE के थ्रू हम मार्स पे जाएं MOXIE लेके, एंड MOXIE से हम ऑक्सीजन जनरेट कर लें, एंड यहाँ से एम्प्टी कंटेनर भी लेके जाए रॉकेट का, और वहां पे रॉकेट में ऑक्सीजन को फ्यूल की तरह भर दें, एंड देन वी कैन कम बैक टू अर्थ. एंड दिस इज व्हाट दिस माइट साउंड फैंटासीफुल, बट यस, दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड that NASA is going to implement. Yes, NASA is going to work in this direction. ठीक है. Now, why are we trying consistently to land on Mars, or why are we trying to focus so much on Mars? ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अर्थ और मार्स का कंपैरिजन, बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं कि मार्स इज वेरी बिगर देन अर्थ. नो, एक्चुअली दैट इज नॉट द राइट थिंग. मार्स इज अराउंड हाफ ऑफ अर्थ, ओके, द डायमीटर ऑफ मार्स इज अराउंड हाफ द डायमीटर ऑफ अर्थ. द सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज मार्स हैज अ ग्रेविटी दैट इज 38% ऑफ अर्थ, ओके, यानी अगर यहाँ पे आपका वेट 100 kgs है, ठीक है, तो वहां पे 38 kgs होगा. मतलब the effect of gravity of course is on on mass, ठीक है. our weight is m into g. हमारा mass अगर 10 है और g से मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारा वेट कैलकुलेट होता है mg डाउनवर्ड्स. अगर g की वैल्यू 38%, अर्थ का 38% है, तो हमारा वेट भी वहां पे 38% हो जाएगा टोटल, ठीक है. After Earth, Mars is the most habitable planet. Now, why are we saying that it is habitable? Because it is neither very cold nor very hot as compared to our nearby planets like Venus and Mercury. Mercury is very hot, Venus is too hot, and then the next planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Jupiter is first of all is very far, ठीक है, and beyond Jupiter all the planets are gaseous. तो आउटर प्लैनेट्स जो हैं वो सारे गैसियस हैं, वहां पे सस्टेनेंस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, ओके. तो अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज देयर आर सम सिम्टम्स, देयर आर सिग्नल्स दैट वी हैव सीन कि देयर हैज बीन लाइफ ऑन मार्स, ठीक है. तो it has an atmosphere, although very thin, but still it is able to protect us from cosmic rays. Cosmic rays means UV and all, ठीक है. And the day night rhythm is very similar. डे नाइट रिदम इज वेरी सिमिलर. तो हमारा जो यहाँ का अर्थ का डे नाइट रिदम है उसके हिसाब से आप मार्स पे भी सर्वाइव कर सकते हो. इट इज अराउंड 24 आवर 39 मिनट्स. इट्स वेरी सिमिलर टू अर्थ. ठीक है.